In this video, I'll show you how to change the ringtone of your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and Plus. So how to do this? It's very easy. You need to go into the settings menu. And then once you're over here, you're going to go down until you see sounds and haptic. Tap on it. From here, you're going to have a few choices. You need to tap on ringtone, which is the first one. And here there is some pre-recorded ringtone that comes included with your iPhone. To preview one of them, you just have to tap on it. To stop it, just tap again on it. And it will be selected with the check mark. If you want, you can actually purchase additional ringtones. You need to go into the tone store, the first options over here. And this is the tone store, which means that there are many songs and other ringtones that are not included with your iPhones. Obviously, you'll need to pay for them over here. And to preview them, you just have to tap on any of these and then tap on the title over here and it will start playing. Tap to stop it and press on the price to purchase it. You can see your purchased ringtones over here under purchased, and you can select them this way. To exit the store, you just need to click on settings on the top here and you'll go back into the settings menu. You can also click on haptics on top over here. And this is for the vibration mode. So synchronized just means that the vibrations will be synchronized with the ringtone you choose. But you can change that and you have more options over here. You can test them by tapping on them. And I know you don't see it on the video, but I can feel it. The phone vibrates in different ways. So you can choose the way you prefer. You can even create a new vibration. And simply by tapping the phone, you create a new pattern. When you're done, just press stop. And save if you want to use it. So this is it. This is how you change your ringtone on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and Plus. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.